to take this one over to finishing touches, which is another part of the shop. This is the workbench, and a lot of major work gets done here. I mean, we have 4 stations at the workbench. We usually have 3 people working at it at any time during the day, maybe 2. We rarely have all 4 people working at one time. I don't get to work at things except for about once a week because I actually have the whole business to run. And I really miss that. I love the hands-on. So I thought we'd play with this pulse box a little bit, and I could show you some of the things that it can do, just for fun. Now, this is the port that I'll show you in another video. It is a universal collet, so electrodes can fit right into it. It can take anywhere from 10 millimeters to 12 millimeter electrodes, and you just stretch some of the other ones. It won't take some very old antiques that are square, and some of the really strange imported ones it won't do, but it will do it. All the European ones, Ukrainian ones, American standard size. And not only can you put electrodes directly into it, but it's made specifically for our Loki cable system, which uses neoprene closed cell foam as handles to take the top out of the electrical circuit, so you have more current, more end discharge delivering to the end user, which is important because when you're electrifying yourself with indirect or reverse, you get a lot of loss off your skin. You have tons of electricity just discharging in a corona into the air around you, and you can see this by using a fluorescent tube and holding it above a person, holding it near yourself, and it will show you, and it will glow and show you how far out the corona discharge is getting. So all that electricity is wasted. We want to keep it. We want to keep it so you get to use it. So with our insulated cable systems, this bypasses the top, takes the current, the discharge current, directly to the bottom with impact toys and other Violet Wand accessories, so you have direct current delivered instead of passing through a person first. Well, alright, back to this. I'm going to, instead of sticking an electrode in it, I'm going to put a universal adapter set in there, an Edison adapter, some people call them. The inventor of the Edison adapter was a man named Joe Bagdonis, and he invented it with a plastic lamp. The one-piece kiln-fired adapter set you see here is my husband's brainchild. He is a genius and an inventive genius. He also invented the body contact cable. Before he invented that, people were using length of ball chain or tucking it under their arms and holding on to the mushroom. And that's how far he brought you with using Violet Wands today. I'm going to screw in a neon flicker bulb because it's probably the most visual. Now the pulse boxes, because they have a lower frequency and higher voltage, they don't glow and make electrodes glow as bright, but they do some wonderful things. Take a look at this. I hope that's showing up. Let me tilt this back. Can you hear that repeater firing? I'll try turning off the lights. 1 second. I'll let that kick for you. I had to run across the shop to turn off the lights, and it's a big shop. And I got the screwdriver pulling the spark. Got about an inch streamer off that. You know, so these are fun to play with because they are true Tesla coils. We use an electronic circuit board to control them and a potentiometer, but they are true Tesla coils and fun. in a lot of ways. Alright, time to set this one over to finishing touches, and I'll put another video up about that. Thanks.